This is an animation of a Roux-en-Y gastric bypass using the GI Windows magnetic anastomotic system. First, we see an enterotomy was made in the stomach, and the device is inserted into the stomach where an autolock is then placed, which gives access to the stomach, allowing the device now to place a magnet into the stomach. The magnets self-form into an octagon and then are positioned in place with some sutures that are brought out through the hole. The same is done in the small intestine that is going to be joined up to the stomach by first placing the autolock device, which is a little silicone ring, and then the magnet is inserted, once again using the same device. At this point, both of the magnets are grasped and brought together via their strings, and the magnetic force brings them together. We're going to show you another example doing the jejunojejunostomy, which is the small bowel to small bowel anastomosis, and it's the exact same technique. These magnets take about 2 weeks to cause a necrosis of the tissue in the middle and form the complete anastomosis. At that point, the magnets come off and are expelled in the stool, and the patient then has a nice patent anastomosis without any foreign bodies within it. The complication rates are lower than stapled anastomoses with less leaks and bleeding. I hope you enjoy watching this animation and this new technology that we are currently using, and it's exciting to be at the forefront of surgical innovation.